Hey, what's up guys? Widge the Wiz here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a new battery on your motorcycle. So, without further ado, here are the tools you're going to need. Please follow along. Alright, so if you have a battery that doesn't come threaded on the terminals, you'll have to insert a nut behind the terminal itself so that you'll have a place for your bolt to screw into. So right now I'm just doing that and we'll set it down into the battery tray now. Alright guys, well that's how you change the battery on your motorcycle. Please remember to like and subscribe, check out my Instagram if you feel like it, and I'll see you next time.